Hey everybody, Marjan here from Firefly Craft. Today I've got a weeding tip for you. So if you want to learn a way to make your weeding go easier, which who doesn't, stick around. But first, a little background on where this weeding tip came from. During this COVID-19 quarantine, my family has been trying to come up with fun family activities to do, and our 16-year-old decided that she would plan a family Olympics. And as part of that activity, we're looking forward to it, it's gonna happen tomorrow. As part of that, she wanted to have medals to give out, and she decided to have heat transfer vinyl medals that will go on our matching white shirts. So we'll have long sleeve white shirts, so we'll have Olympic emblem here, and then medals down our sleeves for whatever we win. And I think it would just be such a fun way to remember, and a positive thing that will be in the midst of this pandemic crisis turmoil. So I wanted to show you those medals. Our 18-year-old designed them, and she did phenomenal. They look so good. And as you look at these, you'll recognize that we are not doing the 50-yard dash or the triathlon or alpine skiing. We're doing stuff that we can do around home, and it will be so fun. But anyway, take a look at these cute medals. Let's see if we can get the nerve shoot off. I should have put some white behind it so you can see. But anyway, they have these cute emblems, and they're just darling. But this text is so thin. It's so cute, but so thin. And so in the midst of weeding those last night, I thought, I have never shared this weeding tip because it makes your life so much easier. With a really thin font like that, you're gonna have little tiny pieces that are getting everywhere. They're making a mess. They're hard to like scrape off the sticky backing. Just little tiny font is a mess, and like trying to peel it up and then pinch it and pull it off so you don't have it everywhere. Anyway, I hope you're gonna love this tip today, because we can make your life so much easier. I weeded dozens of these medals last night because we have them for first, second, and third place, and we have about 15 events we're gonna do. I mean, all the activity is gonna be marvelous. Anyway, let me get to that tip now. Okay, so I'm gonna take some masking tape, or you can use probably any tape you want. I just like masking tape. Painter's tape might be a good option. And you're gonna wrap it around your finger. Now, oops, I'm not showing you very good what I'm doing here. You wrap it around your finger. You can do 2 fingers, you can do your whole palm, kind of whatever works for you. You'll discover that as you try this technique out. You'll figure out what feels the most comfortable to you. So now I'm gonna take my thing and I'm gonna weed. Now watch these small little letters. I start them and then just stick my finger, the tape on it, and you see it's picking them all up on my little thing here. And this makes it so much easier than trying to pick up all these little pieces with my finger. This makes my fingertips a lot of hassle. So yeah, it works so good. I'm gonna see if I can get the camera a little closer and show you this. Hope you enjoyed that weeding tip. We're always looking for new ideas on content to bring you and ways that we can make your life easier. If you have a request for a tutorial or any questions, we're happy to answer them. Remember to subscribe so that you'll be notified every time we come out with this awesome tips and tricks. And I hope you guys have a great day. Stay safe.